welcome back to vlog 71. What the hell are you doing? What was that? Damien, please tell me what that was. Damien, what the hell is that, Damien?
Stop talking with the minion.
Okay. What? This looked like very nice pie. Yeah, it actually smells really nice. I'm gonna enjoy this pie right now. It smells nice, Damien. It smells nice. Okay, I'm gonna finish listening to this pod. Actually, I'm probably gonna watch some YouTube videos now and do something. Yep. Hi, so I thought I'd just record something. I got something stuck in my eye, and it's not good. So I'm gonna turn my hi. I think I might have gotten the thing out of my eye. I'm not sure. I just got some games. Some Five Nights at Freddy's games. I got FNAF World and Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria Simulator and Ultimate Custom Night. I can't wait to play these games. I want to play them like now. I want to play them now, but I don't think I can yet. So I'm gonna turn my computer off right now. Hold on a second. So I think Ultimate Custom Nights go abbreviation as like UCN or something, I don't know. I haven't recorded a whole lot today. I found myself saying that a lot, and I don't know why I say it so much. Because like it's human, you forget things, but then you don't know. I don't know. I've been listening to Ruby. I've been watching a show called Ruby. I'm up to episode. What episode am I up to actually? Well, let me check. Episode 8. Players and Pieces. I'm just gonna restart the episode because I'm up to like 5 minutes and 10 seconds. I'm just gonna restart the episode. Yeah, I'm just been binge watching the episodes. I'm in the first season, chapter in episode 8. It's a good show, good little show. And I wanna watch Red vs. Blue now. I think you have to watch that on their website, which I've got a Rooster Teeth website account, which is cool. I like Rooster Teeth a lot. So I've been listening to Joe Rogan's episode with Felipe. I forgot his last name, so I'm not gonna try to pronounce it at the moment. Hang on, let me see if I wait. What's his name? Joe Rogan. No. I think of Felipe Espana. Don't quote me. Yeah, it's a good episode. I've been also listening to a bunch of music. I love music. We all love music, I'm sure. Yeah, I like music a lot. So, cut to tomorrow. I still need to edit. What's it called? The last vlog. The vlog after, before this. I think I might make this 2 weeks because I haven't finished that. And I probably won't be able to upload it this week. And whatever. So, yeah, that's happened. Yeah, I don't know. You know what I can't believe? I can't believe that Five Nights at Freddy's is 4 years old now, this month. It's crazy. It's really crazy. Like, oh god. Don't drop. I'm recording this on my phone. It's cracked. I don't know if I told you that. I don't know. Wow. Undertale is 3 in November or September. I don't know. It's one of those months. One of the months of the year. Yeah. Yeah. Well, cut to tomorrow. I'm probably gonna go pack my bag and listen to some music, like I usually do. Yeah. Yeah, I like listening to music. If you haven't yet, actually, I'll link in the description, the 2 playlists I made that I released this month, earlier this month, the June and July playlist. If you haven't checked them out yet, they'll be in the description. Yeah. Cut to tomorrow. So, the song called Levitate by 21 Pilots was released today, and I was like, holy crap, that I'm shook, I am shook if I am shook. It's like, holy shit, it's a good song. If you haven't listened to the song, go listen to it, like, right now. I've already added it to my August playlist. Sneak peek. No, I'm not gonna play the song here. Go listen to the song, it's so good. I can't wait for October. I can't wait for October. I am hyped. I am hyped as hell. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this song's good. I'm sad that it was released like early. Like leaked by Title, I think it was. I don't even know what I've heard of Title, but I've never actually gone on it. Like, I don't have an account with Title. But holy crap, man. Crap. Go and listen to the Title. Also, the 21 Pilots album is now finally pre-orderable. So I'm gonna pre-order it as soon as I can. Hi Thomas. How are you doing? Hi, how are you? I'm paying my dog now. I'm gonna keep paying him until I die. Oh, hello. Hello. Hello, how are you? I don't know what this race is. Don't question it. So, check out Train Dawson's new video. Part 1. Part 4 for me style. Jeffree Star video. That's really good. It's a really cool video. I love it so much. I love Shane. I love 21 Pilots. I love so many bands. My god, I love music. I love music so much. Well, wow. Staying here today. The Windsor Castle Hotel. It doesn't look much like a hotel. Castle. It doesn't look anything like a castle. It looks if anything, it looks more like a pub.
It is a pub.
Exactly. Hi, it's me. Hi. So I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I thought I'd put this vlog sounds, this current one you're watching, is 2 weeks. So you're currently watching 2 week worth of content video stuff. Because I forgot to upload my video that still hasn't been uploaded. I haven't finished editing it because I'm not happy with it. I'm not happy with the video, and I need to keep editing it. Gosh damn it. Yeah, I'm gonna try to edit it now. I was just listening to Joe Rogan's episode with Sean Cole. You see, Thomas. I probably shouldn't. Yeah. So, extra stuff. Also, this might happen a bit more often, like 2 weeks in a video, in a single vlog. Maybe. I don't know. I think it's a good idea. By the way, let me put this in my. So, if you're wondering where I was, in the clip that you just watched, I was in a place called Maitland. In that clip, and I was there for a basketball game, and I want to make this. I'm gonna make a Vine reference. If you know this Vine, I'll be happy. Nah, I'm not gonna say it. No. I got a basketball game tomorrow. My name's Dre, and I got a basketball game tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah. I came second. It's pretty cool. I got a ribbon. Yay! No one cares, cause but 1 4 5 of my games, and I thought that was cool, and I was happy, and that was awesome, and it was awesomeness. Yep. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Yay. Okay. There's a crow with a cock cooing. Like,
I can't see it.
you can see it, look there. Oh my god, did you just drop it? Did you just drop it? Oh my god. I don't know where it went. Hi, what's up? I'm Matt Bowling with my
What vlog is this?
71.
Holy cows. I'm only on vlog 3 on my new channel.
No, vlog like 20 something.
Vlog 15 on my old channel, I think.
I don't know. Hi, where are you recording? Hi, yeah, no.
I can't zoom.
So this guy is going to do a thing. So go. Oh, what was that?
I purposely done that.
Just hurry up. Someone forgot the ball. Damien's watching his own vlog, and I don't know how to feel about it. Yeah, I just watched this. It's a really good vlog. Go check it out, bro. Hi everyone, it's me. So I'm just about to get onto Xbox. Okay, let me find my controller. Is it on here? Yes, it is. Found it. Hopefully it works. It will. I know it will. I don't know what I'm saying. Yes, I do. That's a lie. What am I saying? Yeah, I'm excited to get back onto Xbox and say hi and stuff. Yep. Yeah, today was fun. Did a bunch of fun stuff. I had music thing. Yep. Okay. Oh, my friend just invited me to his party, so I'm gonna join now. Yay.
Let go of that wing.
There's a cocaine goddamn ring.
What
Oh my god.
Damn fool, he's gonna be big. Oh no!
Oh my god.
You can't lift it. He dropped it.
Pick it up. See that's it.
Quick, get up closer. Get up closer.
Get in.
Crow with a cock cooing. Like,
I can't see it.
you can see it there, look there. Oh my god,
Hey,
did
you
you
just
drop it?
dropped it.
You just drop it? Oh my god. I don't know where it went.
No, oh my god.
They ruined it. I wanted to just see the bird eating another bird.
Hello, it's me. So, I had a good day today, but my leg's been really weird, like my left leg and the thigh bit, like the inside of my leg really hurts, and I don't know why. But no, I've had a good day. Yesterday was good too. I got arrested into Ventures, or Vinny's as we like to call it. Don't judge me, okay? Don't okay. I'm gonna put my phone back on charge because there's literally only 6% on this thing. So, yeah. Hello, it's me, Chris. So, thank you for watching this 2-week vlog, which I probably will do from now on, I'm not sure. But I want to do more vlogs that are like longer. So, yeah, I want to record more. So, there's more. Thanks, camera, for falling. Yeah, I want more stuff to edit. I still need to edit the video before this one, so I don't know how long that's going to take me to do. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna go to bed now.